Hi kids! Let us learn integers. An integer is a positive or negative whole number including 0. There are also 4 integer operations. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and lastly, division. These are the 4 integer operations. Let us study the different rules in operations of integers. Rule number 1 for adding integers. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. For example, 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Since the both addends is also positive, so the sum of the two given addends is positive. Rule number 2 for adding integers. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. For example, negative 5 plus negative 1 is equals to negative 6. The given addends are both negative, so the result of the two integers is negative. Rule number 3 for adding integers. The sum of a positive and a negative integer could be positive, negative, or 0. For example, 5 plus negative 1 is equals to positive 4. Negative 5 plus 1 is equals to negative 4. And negative 5 plus negative 5 is equals to 0. You may analyze the given examples. I'll give you some time to analyze it. Now, let's practice. I'll give you 1 minute to answer the following question. Let us check your answers. Rules for subtracting integers. To subtract an integer, add its opposite. You will need to correctly change all subtraction problems into addition. How do you change a subtraction problem into addition problem? There are 3 steps in changing subtraction problem into addition problem. 1. Keep the first integer the same. 2. Change the subtraction sign into an addition sign. 3. Take the opposite of the number that immediately follows the newly placed addition sign. We call it same, change, and change. Look for the given examples. Same, change, and change. You can do it. Let's check your answers. Multiplying and dividing integers. Look for the given examples. The integers are both positive, so the result is also positive. Here are some examples. The integer is a positive multiplied to negative number or integer, and the product is negative integer. Here are another examples. As you can see, the given integers are both negative, but the product is positive. We can summarize it as the rules of multiplying integers. The product of two integers with the same signs is positive, and the product of two integers with different signs is negative. Did you know that the rules of multiplication and division are the same? Of course they are. The rules for division are exactly the same as those for multiplication. If we were to take the rules for multiplication and change the multiplication signs to division signs, we would have an accurate set of rules for division. Rules for dividing integers. The quotient of two integers with the same signs is positive. The quotient of two integers with different signs is negative. Now, answer the following. Let's review. Can you still remember what is an integer? That's great! An integer is a positive or negative whole number including 0. Can you give an example of an integer? Very good! How about what are the 4 operations of integers? Fantastic! Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Thank you! Bye-bye!